Welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you how you can download and install Final Fantasy XIV on PC or laptop. First, let's open your browser and go to steampower.com. Once there, click Install Steam at the top of the screen. In my case, I already have the Steam. So let's proceed. After installing Steam, open it and click on the store icon in the top left corner. In the search bar, type Final Fantasy XIV online and click on first option. Scroll down to where it says add to cart and click on it. Then click on continue to payment. Complete the payment process. Choose the drive you want to install the game on and install it. And now you can enjoy playing Fantasy 14. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.